How to create a navigation bar to your Wix Studio. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step how we can create a navigation bar on our header. This way people can just access the menu easily with this bar. So this is going to be step by step. It's very easy and simple to do. So let's just go ahead and get to the video. Now, if we just go to Wix Studio and just click on edit site here. And then once this opens up, we can just basically start editing and adding our navigation bar. Now, you would obviously want to add some pages to that navigation bar, so make sure you have your pages ready because we are going to set them up from the settings of the navigation bar. And what I'm going to do in my specific site is that I have a hamburger menu. As you can see here at the top right here, I have a hamburger menu, which is going to pretty much just open up the menu for me. And I want to replace this with the navigation bar. So we can just go ahead and remove this first. And let's just go ahead and grab this other element here, if I can just do that. And move it aside. And usually it's just going to be at the header section and is going to pretty much, take the middle part of it. So how do we actually add it in? So we don't have any navigation bar, as you can see. We want to go to the top left where we can see add elements, and you want to just click on that. And then from here, we want to, you can actually see all the elements that you can add here, buttons, sections, and all those things. But we want to basically find menu and search. So just go ahead and click on menu and search. And then we can actually see the horizontal menus here is the closest thing that we have. So all of those are going to be pretty much navigation bars that are going to work. Now here, the only difference between them is going to be design wise. So feel free to choose whichever design you like best and go ahead and drag and drop it to the header. Now, again, even if you don't like the design at first, you can feel free to change it later on, and I will show you how that works. So just go ahead and move this a little bit to the side if you have a lot of pages, just so, it takes up more space. Like so. And if you want to centralize it and all of those things, it's going to also align perfectly like so. And then we can just click on Manage Menu. Once you click on Manage Menu, here is going to pop up all the pages that are available in our navigation bar. So Homepage, Services, Projects, About Us. If you want to add an item, you can feel free to do so. And then you can just go ahead and add that page. So you can just go to Main Pages and let's just add the contact page for the sake of this video. And you can see that already it is actually added. And we can also add a link. So if you want to actually add a link, feel free to do so in here as well. But I'm not going to do so. And then what else? We can also change the layout a little bit so we can actually make it scroll or wrap. This is going to be basically if you have a lot of pages, what is going to be happening. So whether it's going to go down and further, or you can just go ahead and scroll between them. I highly suggest that you go for the scroll one, but it is completely up to you. So there's a lot more to it, but this is basically how to add the navigation bar over here. So it is actually very simple and easy to do. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.